Hello everyone, this is Rosie Rehana, one of the district topper of Hazaribagh, and it's an honor to be here for me, especially before you.
This side Nancy Singh, and today I feel very much pleasure to be here in front of you. And as per the announcement, today is the collaboration of MIT University as well as English Cafe, where we are going to learn so many things with them. And also, as per the announcement, today we are going to have the public speaking round first, right? So first of all, I would like to welcome the very first candidate of ours. Please welcome her with a huge round of applause, who is none other than Rosie. Please welcome her, guys. Well, her topic is very practical or very different. Her topic is how to finish everything that you start. This is what the problem of our youth, that they are not able to finish their work, whether it can be the professional or personal work. So she will let you know about how to finish any work that you are going to start. Clear? So please appreciate her first about her topic.
Have you ever had trouble finishing something? It's maybe a project at work and something more personal, such as a book, your diary entry, target to cover your syllabus, and call back to your relatives or even a diet. So don't worry, guys, you are not alone here. In fact, there is an epidemic of a failure to finish. So, hello everyone, this is Rosie Rehana, one of the district topper of Hazaribagh, and it's an honor to be here for me, especially before you. So, let's come back to our point. What's behind this epidemic? There is an unanswered question in everyone's mind. How to finish everything you start, right? So, before this, we have to address the first question. Basically, what is the reason behind this? Like, there are so many unfinished work tasks in our day-to-day life. So we have multiple causes. The very first one is something that two of us are doing too many tasks at once, which is leading to the unfinished jobs or works in our day-to-day life. And the second one is something which I call distractionist, which is very important in these era of social media, right? Basically, people who are suffer from these get easily distracted from anything and is effortlessly pull away from one task to do something else. And before you know it, you soon find yourself with too many unfinished jobs, which ultimately make us very frustrated, very tired. And another factor, which is procrastination. And I believe it is very important for us, for me personally also. What I see as the definition of procrastination, putting off something that you should or you want to do. For some people, perfectionism is behind procrastination, like fearing that your efforts will come up your shorts and you just delay and delay to get face your own imperfection, right? Although sometimes procrastination slows you down so that you can reevaluate something that you should be working on a project in the first place. Well, these are the common things that most of the people do have. However, it will be unique if you do able to untangle yourself from these epidemics, right? And undoubtedly, this emerging world and dynamic world need not common people. So be extraordinary, be unique in this universe. And it is the actual requirement of the world today. Let's move to the another answer, like how to finish everything you start. So the very first one is something that you have to learn to say no. And don't indulge yourself too much at once. Do one thing at one time. I know many people think that it is a conservative, especially in these era of technology. Believe or not, it is the effective way to finish any activity, any task in a day-to-day life. Okay. And the second one is something like you have to keep yourself away from distraction. I know it is very challenging for us, especially youth, because this generation, a lot of distraction we are facing nowadays. So eliminate unnecessary activity, unnecessary task gathering in our day-to-day life. And please uninstall the unwanted apps of yours, like an unwanted gaming app, editing app, and social platforms, and so on. And lastly, make whatever you are procrastination the very first one activity that you tackle, the first activity in the morning. Okay? And one thing most important, that if there will be a foggy day or morning and you just want to take rest, want to enjoy the moment, and want to have a hot coffee, don't do these. Don't get yourself indulged under the blanket and allowing yourself to scroll the reels. Just get up, put your tracksuit, and go back to your team. Thank you.